Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can change the link of your personal Facebook profile. So to change the link of your personal Facebook profile, sign into your Facebook account. And here you can see that it's based on alphanumeric values, which is hard to remember. So to change it, click on your profile icon and go to Settings under Settings and Privacy. Here, instead of going to any options provided here, go to Account Center and then click on your profile. Here under username, you can change it to whatever you see fit. And if the one you want to keep has already taken, try adding some special characters or some digits. Just make sure that it's easy to remember and then click on Done. Well, when you will click on Done, it may or may not ask you to add your password again. And then just refresh your profile page. And here you can see that the link of your personal Facebook profile has changed, which is convenient and easy to remember. And this is how you can change the link of your personal Facebook profile. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.